Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kirpa classes. Our today's topic is direct and indirect speech. Now we will discuss in detail direct and indirect speech. This topic though may appear to be very difficult, but if you go through the whole course, you will find that this topic is very easy and you will not be able to face any difficulty in future so far as direct and indirect speech is concerned. So let us start. First, what is the meaning of direct speech? Direct speech means reporting or conveying the message of the speaker in exact words as spoken by him. You can understand the same with the help of an example. A person has said that I am playing. He said I am playing. You are using here comma and inverted commas. This is called direct speech. All the words as spoken by someone are being repeated as it is. We are not making any change to it. Let us read. In direct speech, we always use comma and inverted commas. This is done to show that we are repeating exactly the same words without any change. You will see he said means this is the reporting speech. Someone is reporting as has been spoken by someone. This is what has been spoken by someone. This part of the sentence is reported speech. You can see that this portion said, it may also, there may be word says, say, or will say. This is reporting verb. You can understand each of this topic, each and every aspect of this topic when you understand what is the reporting speech, what is the reported speech, and what is the reporting verb. Okay. The next, indirect speech. Indirect speech means that we are repeating the message of the speaker, but we are not using exactly the same words as spoken by him. We are repeating the message of the speaker, but in our own words. Here we do not use any comma or semicolon or comma or inverted commas. We do not use in indirect speech. You can see that this was direct speech. He said, I am playing. We have converted it into indirect speech. He said, in place of commas, we have used that. I has been changed to he, and am has been changed to was. Playing remains the same. We will learn each and every aspect how the subject is changing or tense changes, how the time, place, and other changes are made in indirect speech. We will see it as the course proceeds. First, we learn how to change the reporting verb. Reporting verb means said, say, says, will say. What changes we make to these verbs? First comes the says to me. You will please read this. If reporting verb is followed by an object, this is the object. Me, he, she, her, him. These are the objects. If the reporting verb, here the reporting verb is says, it is followed by object, then it is changed. Then this reporting verb is changed to tell, tells, or told, as the case may be. If reporting verb is not followed by an object, here you will see that the reporting verb is not followed by object. It is not followed by me, he said to him, he said to her, him, me, you. These words are not followed here in these three sentences. These are not there. So you will not change while converting the same into indirect speech. They will remain as it is. However, when there is an object, then these are changed to says to me becomes tells me. Said to me becomes told me. Whatever is written beyond that, we will learn later on each and every aspect of the same. We learn step by step. First, we have learned that the reporting verb is to be changed when. However, we read the same. He says to me, I am a doctor. He tells me that he is a doctor. He said to me becomes he told me. Rina will come again becomes will change to would. Rina would come again soon. He says, I am a doctor. He says that he is a doctor. He will say, he is a doctor. He said, I am a doctor. He said, he was a doctor. Why no change has been made in the sentence here? I am a doctor. Here you will see is. Here you will see am has been changed to was. Sometime am is changed to is. Sometime was. Why it happens? We will see it in the next. If reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tenses of the direct speech do not change. It means that if the reporting verb is says or will say, this is the present tense, says it is in present, will say is in future. Then what is written after that? What is the reporting speech? We will not change the tense of the same. That is, we will not back shift it to the past tense or future tense. They will remain the same. See what happens? He says that I am a doctor. I is used for he, that he is a doctor. He will say that he is a doctor. He will not say, we will not change it. He will say he will be a doctor. He will say he is a doctor. That is this part of the sentence, that is the reporting speech. In case the reporting verb is in present or future, the tense of the same of the direct speech will not change. It will remain same. Tense here you will see that it is in present. Now next, if the reporting verb is in past tense, reporting verb what? Said. It is the reporting verb. Said. It is the reporting verb. It is in past. Said. If you see that it is the timeline. If you are present, it is the past. This is the future. If somebody says in the past, we will say he said. If someone says in present, we will say he say, they say, or he says. If somebody will say in future, we will say, we will write it as he will say. But whatever has been said in the past, that is, if the reporting verb is in the past, then what is written in reporting speech in the present tense will be changed into past. That is, whatever has was said in the past will be converted into the past tense. That is, you will see that he said, I am a doctor. He had said to you that he is a doctor. He had told you earlier. That is, in the past, he had told you that that I am a doctor. That is, you will convert it also into the past. In other words, please remember that if anything is in the present, after the reporting verb is in the past, all the tense which is in the present will be converted into the past. In simple words, we can say that is mr is to be changed into was were, has have is to be changed into had, has been have been is to be changed into had been. You will see I am is being changed into was, are is being changed into were, has had, has been changed into had been. No other change you will see has been made except here. I am a doctor. He said I am a doctor. He said he was a doctor. He said the boys are playing. You will convert it into the past. The boys were playing. She said he has finished his food. That is, he's talking. When he was talking, it was in the past. So we have converted this tense into the past. He had finished his food. Ila said it has been raining since morning. Ila said it had been raining since morning. This is the rule that simple present tense is to be converted into the simple past, present continuous is to be changed into the past continuous, present perfect is to be changed into past perfect, present perfect continuous is to be changed into past perfect continuous. This may appear to be difficult. You can simply understand this. Do does is to be converted into did, is mr into was were, and so on. Now we come how to convert the past tense of the direct speech. That is, if this part of the sentence, that is the reporting speech, is in the past, here reporting verb is also in the past, and this part of the sentence, that is the reporting speech, is also into the past, what will happen then? Then we have also to convert it. How to convert? Was were has to be converted into had been, did into had, play played played. That is, it is the second form of the verb. We have to convert it into the had played, did not play, had not played, had remains had been remains the same, had been. If we talk about the rules, these are the rules. Simple past is to be converted into the past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, past perfect no change, past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, no change. We have already uploaded videos on all the three types of tenses: past, present, and future, and all its types. We have discussed all these tenses in detail. You can visit our website or on YouTube, Prab Kirpa classes, and you can understand whole the tenses in detail. However, we now come to the main topic. He said Alice arrived on Monday. Here, arrived is the second form of the verb. You will see that we will change it into had played. Alice said he had arrived on Monday. He was waiting for Rekha. He said that was is to be converted into had been. He had been waiting for Rekha. Now, had no change, had been no change. You can see here. There is no change if there is had used in the direct reporting speech, and if the reporting verb is in past. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.